Every success starts with a solid foundation. Foundations are the structural support of families, support of jobs, support of communities. At Argos, the foundation is our people. People who want to be a part of something meaningful, hardworking, and determined, with strong roots in our communities. Workers who feel energized by a sense of integrity, community, and progress. Our resilience is present in both our products and in our company. We are committed to create opportunities and paths to learn and grow together.
Hi, I'm Don Knight. I'm an operations manager here in the Atlanta market. I've been employed with the company for 27 years. I started out at 26, probably one of the youngest plant managers that I know of. I had 27 drivers at the Cumming plant. We were doing 12 to 1,300 yards of concrete every day, built a huge customer base, and just honestly learned how to become a better person. So every other Sunday, my wife and I, we cook for the entire family. Both of my sons work here. One of them is 30 years old, the other one is 27 years old. I also have a son-in-law that works for the company. Most of the conversation, and my wife has to get on me all the time, let's not talk about work so much on Sundays, but we can. I mean, quite honestly, it's all we have to talk about. I mean, we talk about the things that went good the week before, we talk about the things that went bad the week before, how we can improve and make this a better place to work.
Hi, my name is Adriana, folks, and I am a driver here at Argos Ready Mix. I've only been here a little over a year, and in a short period of time, I've moved up from being a driver to a driver trainer and also a driver instructor's assistant. I believe everyone here at the Argos can have the same opportunities as me, but we all have to be willing to learn.
My name is Byron. I'm the technical service engineer for the state of Florida. I work very closely with my team, and we love the willingness and the empowerment that the company provides us to innovate and bring to the market sustainable products that will help the humanity overall and to build a better future.
At Argos, we strive to be a community where everyone feels proud, growing strong and always inclusive to new people and ideas.
I'm Kim Saunders. I'm the category manager for MRO for Argos USA. The thing that probably impressed me the most when I first started with Argos was that there were a number of women already within the company. I like the fact that we've hired a lot of women since then. I think that's fantastic. They also look at hiring a number of women in professionals and engineers, but beyond that as well. We have women truck drivers. We have women that do everything in this company.
To me, nothing is more important than seeing those that you've worked with become promoted and get promoted in the company and work their way up the ladder. It's also a great feeling when you drive by something kind of like the Braves Stadium or the Atlanta Falcons Stadium and know that you helped build that building.
Some people think of Argos as just cement and concrete, but as it turns out, we are far more. We are a community of great people working together to create foundations that make a stronger future for people and places.
A brighter future
Is in our hands.
United,
We can make it happen.
We are in the business of building a brighter future for everyone. A future that is only possible because of you.